YouTube.
Yeah. It's your boy, man. This shit going straight to the YouTube, know what I mean? Yo, actually, this shit here and everything, but y'all can definitely catch this shit on YouTube. It's gonna be there, you know what I'm saying? It's your boy, E, man. 100, man. Only nigga eating, man. Motherfucker been doing this shit since back in the day, man. You heard? But anyway, we about to drop this. We'll give y'all niggas a little sample, man. Remember, all my shit is copyrighted. Don't bite my shit, man. Niggas popping off, man. Shit's mad shit popping, man.
For real. You already know, nigga, man. It's your boy Woppy Wop, aka Nasty Ass DJ Brains, nigga. The NOA the NOA clip representative, nigga. Oh yeah. You already know I'm a little bit scared from this morning, you know. So the best of the best, leaving the rest with the rest. But anyways, man, O.N.A. It is what it is, nigga.
It is. Feel it, yo, hey yo, I definitely felt it. That's why I was smoking that shit. Had me fucking open and had to do a backflip. Motherfucker got a mic and start spitting on these fucking cowards. These niggas ain't never seen nothing, ain't never felt hard shit, rain, snow, showers. Now I'm from the ghetto, that's a show. Project Born, Project Raised. Do you want me to give you some more? I've been off the days, going for days. Matter of fact, in a days. What the fuck? Never threw up the trade. Now always was trying to try, kept it live. Niggas was already on, down the ride, down the fucking die, fucking by any means. They fucking with O.N.E. Cash machine shit. You already know what it is. I'm living my dreams of growing up. I handle goods. I used to be so little with shit, but nigga now coming up, nigga get you. Yo, but let me rhyme on the real tip though. I was just talking about some shit, but now it's time to spit flow. Big heads. Fucking guitar over your head, smash it fucking all over your head. Niggas is slump that, you don't really want to know with that one. Niggas run around with that one. You lames niggas, you niggas ain't guns, you niggas ain't the fucking ones, you niggas ain't fucking O.N.A. Yeah, I don't even know, man. I just want to get that out there, man. Yeah,
you already know, man.
That real hard, like,
you already know that away click, man.
Niggas start biting and shit, you know what I mean?
You already know.
That was a little something for the top, you know what I mean? But yo, niggas, it ain't over like that, man. Keep in tune with this channel right here, man.
We call this one Crack TV. We are live, nigga. Word is born, nigga.
This channel, man. My boy,
real.
Man.